Hello everyone! Today I will be teaching you how I put on a new invisible zipper on a dress. We would like to do our always mark where the So we get this zipper already finished, nice and beautiful. Keep following me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and always remember